Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Ol' Bill's Barbecue. Today we're doing sous vide steak. Follow along so you can do it too. Alright, so we went to our local butcher and we grabbed 2 delicious ribeye steaks. We're going to open them up, put some seasoning on them, vacuum seal them, and sous vide them. We got 2 about inch thick steaks. And look at that marbling on it, just amazing. We're going to take a little bit of this duck fat. We're going to just spread it on top of our steak so that way we're using it as a binder for our seasonings. You want to make sure you get a nice even spread of the duck fat. That way when it melts down, you get all that flavor into your steak. Next up, some freshly cracked pepper. Nice crunchy coating on the outside. And then we're going to crack some Himalayan pink salt on top. Of course, you got to get that garlic plus in there. Sprinkle that on top of there. And then we're going to pat it in. And we're off to the races. Once you finish one side, you're going to flip it over, do everything the exact same on the other side, and you'll be good to go. We took this one-person job, made it into a 2-person job just to make things much easier. My lovely fiance in here helping me out. Just gonna vacuum seal the bag. That way when it comes to sous vide, get that perfect tender cook. Baby, those things are gonna be good. Let's take a look. All right, so we went away for the weekend. We're at a cottage. We're using the sous vide. We're gonna throw these delicious steaks into sous vide water. Let's get them cooking. We're looking for a nice medium rare on these steaks. Just look at that seasoning in there. Can't wait to see how it turns out after we throw it on the grill and get a nice crust on it. Along with our steaks, we're gonna have some little tiny red potatoes. Let's dump them into the pot. While we wait for those potatoes to boil, we're gonna take our nice cloves of garlic and we're gonna mince it up. Make it nice and finely cut up in nice little pieces. Once those potatoes were boiled, we drained the water out, added some butter in, stirred them around. Now we're gonna throw in that nicely minced up garlic. And we're gonna throw these bad boys into the oven. Into the oven they go at about 350 degrees until they're nice and fork tender. Okay, just got to keep an eye on them. It's finally time to see what we've all been waiting for. These beautiful sous vide steaks coming out of the water. Look at that steak. We got one more to pull out, and then we're throwing these onto the grill. Got a nice crust on them. Alright, so we're outside with our portable Dynaglow grill. It can also be used as a mini smoker. So we're going to throw it onto our upper grates and we're going to smoke it with a little bit of apple wood to start. Lay it on there, let it get a little bit extra flavor. And then we'll be ready to throw it right onto those coals. Alright, let's get a look. Let's see that nice, delicious crust. Whoo, man, that's good. Let's get that inside on my plate and into my stomach. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next week. That was sous vide steak. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with what we do each week. We'll see you next week.